Today I'm making a magnetic light stand. This is going to attach to some lights I'm making in part B later on that are going to attach to this tripod. And here's the lights. I'll get started. So I'm going to start out first, get the overall. And the reason for this is to find center. I'll punch a hole in it later and I'll show you what's next. So like that, whenever you're drilling, you need to put a sacrificial material behind that you don't mind damaging. So what I've got a iPhone 8. I'm going to add some lubricant so that these will cut a little bit nicer. Next, I'm going to open up a 1/4-20 tap. This is going to be the standard tap that's on the bottom side of most cameras. So this will fit on basically all tripods. As you can see, fitting in this 1/4-20 bolt, and it fits just right. Up next, we're going to add some neodymium magnets with this Gorilla Epoxy. I'm going to mix these two components extremely well, otherwise they will not work optimally. Next, I'm going to add the mixture to the plate, not so thick that it oozes out on me. That would suck. And then I had to be very careful with that. Those are very strong. And just like that, with the power of video, this is sat for about 30 minutes and it's good to go. It fits perfectly. Thanks for watching.